How to give access to Instagram business account. For that, you have to open any browser of your choice. For now, I'm opening the Chrome browser, and on the web address bar, you need to search for business.facebook.com. Then, once you search for it, the Meta Business Suite will open. You can also open the Facebook page, and from there you can also open Meta Business Suite on your browser or on your PC or Android as well. That make sure to log in on your page. Then on the left panel, when you scroll all the way down at the bottom left, we can see the settings. Tap on the settings icon. Once the settings page opens, you have to select the people icon at the top left corner, which is underneath the settings. Once it's open, you have to select invite people button at the top right corner of the screen. And then on this add people, you have to enter the email address that you want to send the invitation to. Then after that, you need to tap on the next button. Here you need to assign access and tap on next button. Here you need to assign the business assets. You can select the business asset here. Then you can tap on confirm selection and tap on next button again. Let's tap on continue. And here you can review the invitation and send the invitation to this email ID user. Once you have done that, they are successfully invited. Once they accept the invitation, they will get the access to our Instagram business account. So in this way, we can give access to Instagram business account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, subscribe it for more tutorial videos.